Human biology and physiology. Human biology and physiology are branches of science that explore the structure and function of the human body. Human biology focuses on how the body is built, its organs, tissues, and systems, while physiology explains how those parts work together to maintain life. Understanding these topics is essential in medicine, health, and everyday wellness. 1. The human body. An overview. The human body is a complex structure made up of trillions of cells organized into tissues, organs, and systems. It is typically divided into several major systems that work together to carry out all functions necessary for life. 2. Levels of organization. Cells, the basic units of life. Different types of cells perform various functions, like muscle cells that contract or nerve cells that send signals. Tissues, groups of similar cells. The four main types are epithelial, coverings, connective, support, muscle, movement, and nervous, signal transmission. Organs, structures composed of multiple tissue types working together, e.g., the heart, lungs, kidneys. Organ systems, groups of organs performing a common function. 3. Major organ systems and their functions. A. Circulatory system. Main parts: heart, blood vessels. Function: transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and removes waste. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood to the body and returns oxygen-poor blood to the lungs. B. Respiratory system. Main parts: nose, trachea, lungs, diaphragm. Function: provides oxygen to the blood and removes carbon dioxide through breathing. C. Digestive system. Main parts: mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestines, liver, pancreas. Function: breaks down food into nutrients the body can absorb. Waste is eliminated as feces. D. Nervous system. Main parts: brain, spinal cord, nerves. Function: controls all body activities by sending and receiving electrical signals. A. Muscular and skeletal systems. Main parts: muscles, bones, joints. Function: provide structure, support, and enable movement. The skeleton also protects internal organs. F. Excretory system. Main parts: kidneys, ureters, bladder, skin. Function: removes waste products from the body, mainly through urine and sweat. G. Endocrine system. Main parts: glands, e.g., thyroid, adrenal, pancreas. Function: produces hormones that regulate growth, metabolism, and other body functions. H. Immune system. Main parts: white blood cells, lymph nodes, spleen. Function: protects the body from disease-causing pathogens. I. Reproductive system. Main parts: male, testes, penis, female, ovaries, uterus. Function: enables humans to reproduce and pass genetic information to offspring. 4. The cell, the building block of life. Every system in the human body is made up of cells. Each cell contains nucleus, controls the cell and holds DNA. Mitochondria, produces energy, the powerhouse. Cell membrane, regulates what enters and exits. Cytoplasm, jelly-like fluid where organelles float. Cells communicate and work together to keep the body functioning. 5. Homeostasis, balance within the body. Homeostasis is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment. For example, when you're hot, you sweat to cool down. When you're cold, you shiver to produce heat. When blood sugar is high, the pancreas releases insulin to lower it. The body constantly monitors and adjusts internal conditions to survive and thrive. 6. Human growth and development. From fertilization to old age, the human body goes through many changes. Infancy, rapid growth and brain development. Childhood, physical and mental skills improve. Adolescence, hormonal changes cause puberty. Adulthood, body stabilizes, aging begins. Old age, organ functions slow down, and the body becomes more prone to disease. 7. Importance of nutrition and exercise. Nutrition provides essential nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals that fuel the body and help it grow and repair. Exercise keeps muscles and the heart strong, boosts the immune system, and improves mental health. 8. Modern relevance. Human biology and physiology are at the core of medicine and health sciences. From understanding how diseases affect the body to designing treatments and surgeries, this knowledge is essential. It also helps individuals make better lifestyle choices. Conclusion: the human body is an incredible, self-regulating machine. Every heartbeat, breath, and thought is powered by intricate biological processes. By studying human biology and physiology, we not only learn how we function but also gain insight into how to take better care of ourselves and others.